Welcome to a home of your lofty aspirations and dreams. Singapore first Australian resort team condominium. From Aussie Grill, Eucalyptus Walk, Vineyard Pavilion to Lagoon Infinity Pool. Austville Residence is your passport to great Australian escapes right at home. Hi everybody, I'm Sharon Kim Chan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today I'm here to introduce you this duplex penthouse tucked nicely in an exclusive corner comprising of a 3-bedroom and a study unit with a total strata area of 1,539 square feet. With a breathtaking view of the Punggol Park while you chill out at the good-sized roof terrace on the upper deck. If you like outdoor space and total privacy, this is the perfect home for you. 2 terraces at each level for your family gatherings. A see-through glass at the enclosed kitchen makes it functional. Living amidst the comfort and conveniences such as Buangkok and Sengkang MRT, Rivervale Plaza, CHIJ, Nan Chiao Primary School, Sengkang Wetland and Punggol Park. Don't miss this opportunity to get your dream home today. Call me at 9660-3933 for your exclusive home tour today.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.